subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
So in this video we are going to learn what is classes in JavaScript. So I'm simply write classes in JavaScript. So in order to learn what are classes in JavaScript, how we can write the class in JavaScript, so we will create one file that is index.js and we'll import this index.js file inside our head by using script tag and giving it a source as src.index.js. So now here I'm creating a class with the name employees, and let me create a constructor for this class. So whenever a class is called, the constructor get called first. So let me add some parameters, that is name and age, and let me initialize this dot name as name and this dot age as age. So here in this constructor we have initialized two variables, that is name and age. Now we will add two methods, set my name and set my age. So by using this method we will set the name and the age. So I'm simply writing console.log my name is and just the name, and in the similar fashion I'll create one more method, that is set my age. So here as you can see, these are methods, it's kind of functions, but we do not need to write the function as a keyword over there. So now let me create one employee to instantiate this class employees. So this will create an object employee of class employees. So we will write constant employee equals to new employees. Now employee will be having the access to all the methods. So employees dot set my name, that is NSCODE, and if I check it on the browser, there's nothing, my name is there, I need to pass this name over there. So I'll just pass in the name. As you can see, NSCODE is my name, my name is NSCODE is written there. Now employee dot set my age, because this employee is having access to all the methods which are present in our class employees. So as you can see, my age is 50. So it is like, basically this is how classes works in JavaScript. This is how you can create a class in JavaScript. And this const employee equals to new employees is creating an object of class employees and assigning it to employees, so that this employee object value can have access to all its methods and parameters.